Welcome back, my beautiful people. I am so excited. I'm excited to present to you this food that got its first degree from Oxford. It got masters from Cambridge and doctorate from Harvard. It's got its all. Ozulezu. Okulofuofu onyele ihe acho. Watch till the end of the video to see how your life will turn around after eating this food. I am talking about Abacha, African salad. Well, I will not waste much time. Let's go and prepare the Abacha. And please don't bother, don't worry about the gloves I'm wearing. I burnt my hand in the oven while cooking. Oh, sorry. Okay, just slide into the description area and you'll find the notes and the directions how to prepare the Abacha. First, what you have to do is you cook and fry the fish, set apart. Then cook the PONMO and set apart also. Remember, after cooking the PONMO, you have to turn it in oil and spices, to get it ready for the food. Then you soak the Abacha in cold water for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes in cold water. Then you sieve it. Put everything into the sieve and drain the water very well so that there will be no water left when you are mixing the Abacha. If you want your Abacha to be soft or to be softer than what I have here, you leave it in water for 3 minutes, but not more. And it has to be in cold water, okay? Then, in a pan, you pour in the oil, the palm oil, and the OGIRI. What is Abacha without OGIRI? OGIRI is the heartbeat of the Abacha now. So, you pour in the oil and then add the OGIRI. Mix very well and add the cube. I used the Knorr cube here, and mix very well. Then add salt and mix together. Mix everything together so that everything will be dissolved in the oil. Then start adding the Abacha. You add bit by bit. You add and you turn very well so that the oil and the ingredients inside the oil will touch everything. You keep on turning, adding and turning until you have added all the Abacha. Mix everything together, mix very well. The secret is in making sure that the ingredients, everything is mixed very well, that the oil and the ingredients that is inside the oil touches every part of the Abacha, the tiniest bit of the Abacha. Then when you have mixed everything together, when you have mixed the Abacha with the oil and ingredients together, then you add the EHURU and EHURU. You add it to the Abacha and mix. Add also this pepper, the grinded chili pepper, and the crayfish. These are the last ingredients that you add to the Abacha and mix. Well, you are not going to mix it now like you mixed before, earlier on when you were mixing the Abacha with the oil and the ingredients. You just flip everything together so that it will get to every part of the Abacha as well. Then your Abacha is ready. As simple as it sounds, it is ready. Oh my goodness. With this method of preparing the Abacha, it will not get spoiled. You can prepare it in the morning and enjoy it in the next day. Nothing will happen to it. Okay? Make sure to taste for salt. If you need to add more, you add more. If you don't need to add more, your Abacha is okay. It's perfectly made. Now, you sit back and garnish and enjoy your Abacha, your African salad. And when you are eating this Abacha, your life will change. Your life will change for the best. You will no longer have worries. Every day, every minute will be all smiles and laughter and good vibes. Of course, it cannot be anywhere different because this Abacha got 3 degrees from 3 different universities. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious. A beautiful sight to behold. Oh God, this Abacha. I can't tell it all. I can't tell it all. So when you are eating the Abacha, this is what will be going on in your life. The vibes that will be going on in your life.
Fino on the highway. Fino on the highway. Here is the highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Omaka highway.